Morning guys, so today's video is at the end of a very long day and a half. Richard and I stayed till quite late last night to make sure that this was finished because we've got another vehicle in today for front and rear cameras. But this 2019 VW T6 has come in for a whole host of extras. Now, if we run through quickly, then we'll just jump around and show you what we've done. So, coming to us for front and rear genuine Volkswagen OPS, optical parking sensors. We've also done V3 headlights with LED DRLs. We've upgraded all the bulbs or the lamps inside for the dipped beam and the main beam. We fitted genuine VW fog lights but upgraded the old halogen lamp to an LED cool white one, which looks really good. At the back end of the vehicle, we've done our usual trademark gloss black wedge reversing camera. We've also fitted Alpine front and rear dash camera and linked it all into an INE W720D, which is the 7-inch in-dash Alpine Navi station, and connected it up so that you can see it on the screen. So jump on in and we'll show you a bit about what we've done and how it all works, but just a brief overview. Okay, starting at the back of the van, so Richard's had the rear bumper off and fitted the 4 genuine Volkswagen flush colour-coded parking sensors. Up underneath the overhang for where the number plate lights are, because this is a tailgate, is our gloss black wedge reversing camera. And then if I open the boot lid or tailgate itself, up in the top corner here is the Alpine DashCam. Now, the Alpine DashCam is also working hard against the factory or the aftermarket tinted window, but something is better than nothing, and actually the view through it is really not that bad at all. All the cabling comes up, gets routed, all three, from the camera and the parking sensors up, routed over the top of the vehicle and then down towards the front of the dashboard. So we'll now go to the front of the vehicle, show you what we've done there. Right, the front of the vehicle, this has had quite a facelift, to be honest. The vehicle came into us with the standard candle headlights, which are useless, everybody moans about. So we've gone for the version 3 headlights, that's black with chrome, LED DRLs, daytime running lights, the sequential dynamic indicators. We've upgraded the dipped and the main beam bulbs or lamps. And then down here, genuine VW T6 fog lights, but we've replaced the halogen lamp, boring old yellow that gets hot, with a nice cool white LED that then coincides with these two. Really transforms the front end. At the same time, whilst Richard's had the bumper off, we have fitted the factory fit optical parking sensors. So this is 2 new panels that go in, one for the fog lights, one for the sensors here. So they will then display on the newly fitted Alpine. Also at the same time, whilst all this has been apart, Richard's run all of the cruise control wiring down through into the ECU. So when we jump into the cab, I'll show you a bit more about that as well. Right, so we start on the driver's side. We are looking at a horrifically bog standard steering wheel. This is unusual because we do normally do an upgrade, especially of this nasty plasticky wheel, but this will probably be a stage 2 for this customer who's very much local anyway. So this is the new fog light switch. The one before just had rear fog lights. We've now replaced it with a little bit of chrome on there as well. There's no auto setting, so we've just got the switch for the added front fog lights. The indicator and the wiper stalk has been replaced, genuine VW, so you've still got the trip facility, but now you've got the added cruise feature and function in there as well, for that all to go in and work effortlessly whilst they're driving. And then the only other thing that you're going to be able to see through the camera is the 7-inch Alpine System, but once Matt jumps around to the other side of the vehicle, I'll have a quick run through of that as well. Right, final part. This is the just sort of quick explanation of what we've done here. The Alpine dash camera is up on the glass, so Matt's just focusing in on that as well. That then connects to the rear camera as well, and I'll show you in a second that all in and working on the Alpine system. The USB that sits here is a single factory USB that's been retained so that there's no ugly leads sitting outside of the glove box or on top of the cubby hole. The FM antenna, the DAB antenna, and even the GPS antenna has all been retained. You don't see anything. The only thing that you can see is the microphone, and that is because it's got a really important job to do, and we find that if it's hidden away in the interior light, it doesn't work as well, especially at speeds, etc, etc. So, on the dashboard, if I just turn the lights on, the new parking button, and the new parking button allows for the front and rear factory parking sensors to work. If I push it, up on the screen, you're going to get the split screen of the Alpine reversing camera, or the reversing camera that we fitted on the Alpine display, and also then the parking sensors. Now with this particular model, you can choose either or. So if I go full screen sensors, you're going to get exactly that, full screen. And if I hit back like so and go full screen camera, that will give you the full screen camera up on the view. Now, if I then turn off the parking sensors like so, you've gone back to your normal features and functions. So FM, you've got your DAB, you've got your Apple CarPlay, got your Android Auto. It's not wireless, it's wired on this one. You've got your DashCam link. Now the DashCam link is pretty cool. So that is now showing us exactly what we want to see on the front of the vehicle, and a little thumbnail on the top right hand corner will show you the rear image. So if I click on the actual main screen, it loses the rear image. When I click back again, it shows you the rear image. If I click on the rear image, it gives you an idea of what's going on behind. As I said earlier at the beginning of the video, even with the aftermarket tints, it's not really an issue. Click again, takes you back to the main screen, and then you can go in and change and adjust your settings for the camera, which is pretty cool as well. In here, we've got vehicle information, which allows us a bit more information that talks to the VW T6. Because we fitted our usual Alpine dedicated fitting kit, you get things like this. Got your climate control. As long as you've got Climatronic or climate control on here with a digital display, you will get this information. So all I'm going to do is I can change the way the air pattern moves, I can adjust heated seats if they were fitted, which are these two, and I can adjust the temperature like so, which is a really nice feature whilst you're keeping your eyes on the road. So parking sensors in, Alpine in, reversing camera. If I just press this button here, quick access to the reversing camera like so, but also if I was to put my foot down and put my the vehicle in reverse, you've then got the option of both. You can choose which one you want, like so. So this is the Alpine INE W720D. It's got built-in TomTom navigation. It comes with 3 years free map updates. From the minute we fit it, you've got that. And because we're an Alpine Excellence dealer, down here, if you get it fitted with us, you get 2 years warranty. That's peace of mind for you, because these days, you know, you want to know that your investment is going to last. So built-in navigation. like so, connected to the GPS in the driver's door wing mirror, so in case you've got the heated windscreen and these things, that then bypasses and eliminates any problems with that. So we've done loads of stuff in this van. This customer's going to pick up this afternoon, going to be chuffed to bits with everything we've done. Usual high standards as you would expect from us. Have a read of our reviews because that's what we do. So website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, follow us on social media, and keep watching our videos, and we'll keep doing them. Thanks very much.